Hello Fro Queens, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a flat twist hairstyle, which is going to be protective hairstyle. So what you need is your water, your leave-in, your creams, anything that you need to use to moisturize your hair, and also a white tooth comb, and also don't forget a rat tail comb. So we're starting with parting the hair. So you can part the hair the way you like. There's no rule to parting, there's no rule to styling your hair the way you want to. Just do it however you want. For me, I wanted to just make it a little bit different from how I normally rock my flat twist. Yeah, so I'm going to put this section away, and now I would like to introduce myself for those of you who don't know me. Hello, my name is Kimani Magi. I make natural hair videos, and I started a hair growth challenge series. I'm intentionally growing my hair to waist length hair. 5 years natural. I've been stuck in the same length for such a long time, and I decided to change all that. So I have a playlist on the hair growth challenge series on how I started, and I'd really love for you guys to join me. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to join me in this journey so that we can grow our natural hair together. When it comes to doing protective styles, you need to make sure that you moisturize your hair before you do any kind of protective style. So you should actually do this on freshly washed hair. I just washed my hair the other day, a day ago, before I did this flat twist, and I moisturized my hair really well, but it's still I'm still moisturizing my hair. You know, when it comes to moisturizing natural hair, you need to make sure that you do it every single time, because you're not supposed to allow your hair to get dry even a bit. For those of you who don't know how to flat twist, I have a tutorial on how to do it. So I'm going to link that video so that you can see how to flat twist your hair. And it's actually very simple, and that's actually the simplest protective style that I know of. It's actually the best protective style, honestly, and it gives you the best curls actually. If you want to do a twist out, this is the way to go. This gives the best twist out. So I'm really not going to say much. I'm just going to allow you guys to watch and see how I do this protective style. And also when it comes to parting, I don't really have a technique as to how I part. I just do it. I think practice makes perfect, but you see, for me, I prefer using a rat tail comb, and the first parting I do it like roughly, so that I can be able to get the hair out of the way, because I feel like my hair has really gotten thicker. So the first parting I do it roughly, and then the second one is I make sure that it's a little bit neater than the first one. So yeah, I don't know how to explain. Maybe I can make a separate video on how to really part your hair. If you're interested, kindly comment down below, and I'm going to do that for you. So I'm going to allow you to just enjoy the video, and you'll see how I do this protective style.
I saw you from across the way, and I think about that moment every day. Holding on to that feeling is enough. It's enough for me. Your smile, it drew me in, and I bought you a drink, and ever since I've come to know you, and that's enough. Oh, that's enough for me. Every time I'm there by your side, everything just feels so right. Every minute, every second, all memories I'll keep my whole life.
So I was the kind of girl that never really loved protective styles. Yeah, I hated protective styles. They made my head to feel super tight. They made my scalp to be super itchy. But all this time I never realized that the problem was my routine. And that is how I decided to change my routine through this challenge. And I'm going to just show you guys every single thing that I've been doing, so stay tuned for that. And I also have a few videos explaining how things has changed, so make sure that you watch my previous video and also the playlist. And yeah, so this is actually what I decided to do, and it came out really really nice. I decided to pin up that side section because I don't know, I just wanted it to, I never wanted the ends to be free, but yeah, I just love how it looks. And yeah, just look at that flat twist. Oh my god, guys, it looks amazing and it's super simple. And actually did this in under 30 minutes. I think I just did it for 30 minutes. So yeah, that's the final look, and I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below and tell me what you think, if you'd rock this hairstyle. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.